Hello everyone, welcome to Deepika Makeup. Hope you're all doing super awesome. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the most comfortable liquid lipsticks I've ever tried, and they are the Atomic Makeup liquid lipstick. So stay tuned if you want to hear my review on this amazing formula. I'm also going to swatch over 15 shades for you guys, so stay tuned. I got my first couple of shades back in 2017 and I just fell in love with the formula. I started with Atomic and Lori, and after that the brand actually sent me PR with a few of their shades. Just because I sent the PR and I have an affiliate discount code for you, I'm not saying that these are amazing. I have actually put these on my best liquid lipsticks of the year last year as well, so I already love the formula. So they have actually sent me quite a few shades. They've actually sent me a couple of collections, their fall collection and also Rockway Peach collection, and the more I tried the shades, the more I fell in love with the formula. And also the shades are amazing. There are like 2 or 3 shades that are not flattering on me. They are completely out of box. Like there is a blue shade, there is like a moss green shade, which I am not comfortable wearing, but I'm still gonna swatch them for you guys. But other than that, they have a lot of shades that are flattering on our skin color. Now coming to the packaging, that is how the packaging looks like. It has a gold cap, and also this is the color of the actual liquid lipstick. Now to the wand, it's a standard stiff doe foot wand, and you can easily just apply your lipstick. One dip is enough to cover your lips. They all do have a strong scent, kind of like a cake batter or like a vanilla scent, very sweet scent. Even though it's a strong scent, the scent doesn't linger on your lips, which is what I really like. Usually fragrances bother me, but this doesn't linger after I put the product on my lips, so that's completely fine. These retail for $13 each, but Atomic Makeup is very good at running some kind of sale. You can watch on their Instagram, and whenever there is a good sale, even I post on my Instagram stories. And also, if you would like to take additional advantage, there is an affiliate code that I'll be putting in the description box below. It's an affiliate code, so a small portion of your purchase will come to me. So if you don't want to use it, you can skip it, but that's an affiliate code. I just want to mention that. So I would recommend you guys to grab these whenever they have like some kind of sale. For $13, you're getting 0.3 fluid ounce of product, which is slightly more than a lot of liquid lipsticks. A lot of liquid lipsticks has less than 0.2 ounces. With these, you get a little more product. Another great thing is these are handmade, and these are completely cruelty free and vegan. Now coming to the formula, these are mousse kind of formula. These are very comfortable. They apply and feel very comfortable on the lips. They feel very lightweight. You don't feel like you have a thick and dry liquid lipstick on your lips. They feel very moisturizing. Yes, I'm using a word that doesn't go very well with liquid lipstick. Yes, these feel moisturizing on the lips. Very comfortable, and that's the main reason I love this formula. Now because they are moisturizing, they don't feel dry at all on your lips. Now when I say it's moisturizing, you might think the product doesn't set completely. It does set completely on your lips. There is a slight amount of transfer initially, but after that, once it's completely dry, if you smack and remove the excess off, you won't have any transfer throughout the day. They are very long wearing, and the fact that they feel moisturizing and they are very long wearing, they don't feel any dry. This is the perfect liquid lipstick formula I look for. The formula is just perfect, and also these don't crack your lips, and also the product doesn't flake off throughout the day. They are very long wearing. I want to say a good 7 to 8 hours. Of course, if you eat something oily, the product is going to break and come off, but with regular use, the product is not going to come off your lips. And also these layer very beautifully. If you feel like the product is fading off in the inner parts of your lips throughout the day because you had like food or something, you can just comfortably reapply these. They don't feel very heavy on the lips. They actually blend in very comfortably with the previous coat, so reapplying is also not a problem at all. So that is all I have to say about the formula of these liquid lipsticks. They are just perfect. I don't have any negative to say about the formula. And let's move on to the swatches. First, I'm going to swatch 7 shades from their regular line. The next few shades that you're going to see are from their Rockway Peach collection. The next 5 shades are from their fall collection. I'll put a Starr by the shade name in the description box below, and they are my favorite and most worn shades. But I love these 4 shades. Atomic, Lori, Lexington is my obsession, and also Brick City. These are my most worn shades. So those are my thoughts on the Atomic makeup liquid lipsticks. I personally love these liquid lipsticks. I hope you try them as well. If you do, please let me know in the comments below what shades you like. And that completes this video. If you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button, and also do subscribe to my channel along with clicking on the bell icon right beside it so you don't miss on my future uploads. And that's a wrap, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.